In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see 3D view in Google Maps. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch views, enable 3D, and smoothly explore buildings and terrain with tilt and rotation. First, open your browser and go to Google Maps. Sign into your Google account if you can. While signing in isn't strictly required, it helps Maps remember your preferences and makes everything a little smoother as you explore. Next, switch the map to satellite imagery. Look toward the bottom left corner of the map and click satellite to change from the default map view to the photo based view. If your layout looks a little different, you might see a small layers button first. Click that, then choose satellite. If you don't immediately see 3D options later, come back here and make sure satellite is turned on again. Now enable the 3D view. Look for the 3D button on the map interface, typically near the bottom right area once satellite imagery is active. Click it to turn on 3D buildings and terrain. If the button seems grayed out or nothing changes, try zooming in closer to a city centre or notable landmark. 3D is more prominent in areas where Google has detailed data. With 3D on, it's time to tilt and rotate the map so you can really see the perspective. Use the on-screen controls near the bottom right corner. The compass helps you rotate, and the tilt control adjusts the viewing angle so buildings pop up in 3 dimensions. You can also use your mouse and keyboard for finer control. Hold the shift key and drag to tilt and rotate, or use a trackpad with 2 fingers to adjust the angle and direction. Take a moment to practice these motions. The more you use them, the more natural they feel. Finally, zoom in and out to explore. Use your mouse wheel or the plus and minus buttons on the screen to move closer to buildings or pull back for a wider view of the landscape. Double clicking zooms in on the spot you select. As you move, you'll notice details like building heights, bridges, and terrain contours coming into focus. If things look flat, zoom in a little more, or pan to a different area. A quick tip, not every location has 3D coverage, and older devices or browsers with hardware acceleration disabled may load 3D more slowly. If you run into issues, try a modern browser and make sure satellite view is on. That's it. Enjoy exploring the world in 3D with Google Maps.